Hey guys, it's Jared Cook here at the Perry Company in Waco, Texas. We're taking a look at our latest design. This is the 1/2-inch polycarbonate window replacement for the Case New Holland track loaders. We've also incorporated the little kick window down there as well. This is a development project that we worked on and talked with our customer base. We had a lot of call for something that they could purchase, but they didn't want to purchase the frame and the wiper kit and the handle and all the accessories. They just wanted something that was cost effective that would get their customers back on the road. And so what we've come up with is obviously the polycarbonate I've already mentioned, but then we also have a mechanical fastening system that allows you to break ties with the glass shop. The glass shop's going to cost you 2 to 3 days in lead time and $200 to $300. Whereas with this fastening system, you don't have to mess with that anymore. It's about an hour in the shop and they're back on the road and everybody's happy. So let's go and take a further look into some of the details of the design. All right, guys, we're going to take a closer look at the design, but more especially the install. So when you go to install this polycarbonate door, the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to obviously open the door, and you're going to want to take loose these connections. You have an electrical connection and then also a washer tube that you want to disassemble that, pull those apart, and then you have a gas prop that you want to take off. Once you do that, this door is ready to come off. So you can set it on a work table or something wherever you want to put it, and you can start to disassemble the various assemblies. You have a latch, you have the windshield wiper, you have a handle, and then you have your hinge mounts as well. So you're going to want to take all of that off, and then you're going to cut the old glass out. And before you cut that old glass out, I want you to be mindful. It's a little tough to see, but there is actually on the OEM glass and frame, there's a little bit of trim right here in between. You want to pull that out so it doesn't cause excess friction whenever you're cutting that polyurethane. So you'll cut the polyurethane, you'll clean off any polyurethane that's left on the interior of this frame, and then we're going to get ready to bolt in the polycarbonate. And the way you're going to do that is you're going to utilize this set of retainers. There's 12 of them for the main piece. This is a stainless steel retainer that's powder coated to match. You have your button head bolt, and then also your lock washer on the inside. What you're going to be using is a barrel nut. That's something that helps protect the polycarbonate as you're tightening all this up. To round out the install, you're going to reinstall your latch, your wiper, everything that you took off, and we're going to have an install guide to help you with that. So let's take a look at the 3 invaluable pieces to this design. That would be the cost, the lead time, and reliability. All right, guys, let's break it down. We're going to compare a glued method versus a mechanically fastened method. The glued method is going to cost you 2 days in lead time, $200 to $300. And I think you have to question the reliability of the polyurethane adhesion to that polycarbonate or glass. Now, if you go with the mechanical fastening system, you're obviously going to save some time in lead time, whereas this will take you about an hour. You can do it at any shop as long as you've got the tools. The cost is obviously going to be cheaper than if you were to have a glass guy involved, and if you had to buy everything again. It just works out that way. And reliability, we've got stainless steel, we've got 1/2-inch polycarbonate. All of this is going to be held really, really tight to that original frame and work out very, very well. So if you have any questions, give us a call at the Perry Company. We'll put a link below so that you guys can go directly to our website and see our brand page. Thanks.